How to budget and manage money abroad using Wise and Zolve. But first, let us try to understand Wise and Zolve. Wise is a global technology company that provides international money transfers, multi-currency accounts, and debit cards. It holds and manages money in over 50 currencies. Spend like a local with no foreign transaction fees in supported currencies. The card automatically converts your balance at the mid-market rate with a low fee. Send money to bank accounts worldwide with transparent fees and fast transfer times. Get local account details, for example, UK sort code and account number, Euro IBAN, US account and routing number in several currencies, allowing you to receive money like a local. Zolve, on the other hand, is a digital banking platform primarily designed for global citizens, particularly those moving to the US, international students, H-1B visa holders. You can open a US checking account from your home country without needing an SSN or US visa initially. Get access to a US credit card powered by MasterCard to start building a US credit history. But how about in terms of planning? You can use websites like Numbeo or Expatistan to estimate key expenses. For example, rent, utilities, groceries, transport, entertainment in your destination country. Get a Wise card for managing different currencies and is essential for daily spending. You could also try to open a Zolve US checking account and apply for a credit card before you arrive in the US, leveraging your home country financial data. Regularly monitor your transactions through the Wise and Zolve apps. Many budgeting apps can link to these accounts or allow manual input. Please be reminded that if you have funds in your Wise multi-currency account, you can transfer them to your Zolve US checking account using the local US bank detail provided by Zolve. Use your Zolve credit card responsibly by making purchases and paying your bills on time and in full. This is very important for future financial needs in the US, for example, renting an apartment, getting a car loan.